Today I'm going to tell you if a Dodge Charger RT is worth the extra price over an SXT. This is me about 10 years ago in what was then the newly redesigned Dodge Charger RT. With the Dodge Charger going EV, the past gas-powered Dodge Charger is the last chance to enjoy the good old days. But should you get a V8 powered Charger RT or save some cash with an SXT? Of course, with gasoline-powered cars, miles per gallon is a factor in your choice of vehicle. Although with a Charger, miles per gallon is a more important measurement. Having said that, the SXT gets 23 combined miles per gallon versus 20 combined miles per gallon for the RT. Both can use regular grade gasoline, but Dodge does recommend mid-grade gasoline for the RT. That does mean the SXT will go a bit further than the RT on a tank of gas and cost a bit less to fill up. That is, if you follow Dodge's recommendations. But does the RT's added horsepower make it worth the slight extra cost at the pump? The HEMI V8 in the Charger RT pumps out 370 horsepower versus 290 horsepower for the SXT. This means the SXT can go 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.3 seconds. The RT manages the same mark in just 5.2 seconds. If you go for the Scat Pack, it drops nearly a full second. But that's something for another video. While the difference on the road, keeping within legal speeds, won't be too noticeable. You will notice it when you get up to speed on an expressway on-ramp. But performance isn't the entire story. There is perhaps a more important factor to decide between an RT and an SXT. The V6 powered Charger SXT offers good power when you rev it out a bit. When you do this, there's a higher pitched sound not as fitting for some American muscle. That's where more than anything, the RT makes a huge difference. The V8 rumble takes you back to high school and riding with 4 of your classmates in the backseat of your friend's Camaro. I was quite a bit thinner back then. The exhaust note is a differentiator, but there is one main factor that will decide for most which to purchase. On the used market, you can find a 2015 to 2023 Dodge Charger SXT for as low as $4,000 for a high mileage example, all the way up to $38,000 for a 2023 with low mileage. For a 2015 to 2023 Dodge Charger, a high mileage example can be found for as low as $12,000 and goes all the way up to $50,000 for a lower mileage 2023 example. So, is the RT worth an extra $10,000? No. Not on the road at legal speeds. But if you want a V8 rumble and have no problem getting up to speed quickly, the RT is worth the extra cash. Although the Scat Pack is a better value, but perhaps we'll get more into that next time.